Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm David Bird with Reality Reimagined. I'm an award-winning photographer and Photoshop artist that specializes in fantasy composite art. Today I'm starting a new series on the channel, and it's a series that I didn't necessarily want to do. It's the type of video content that I don't enjoy engaging with on the YouTubes, but I have a very good reason for why I'm starting it, and I want to share the truth with you all. Today I'm going to start a speed edit series where I'm going to take an image from the very raw base image all the way through the final artwork, but it will be a speed edit where most of the video will be sped up. I do plan on narrating these, stepping in every now and again with nuggets of wisdom or stopping to explain something that was happening in the video itself. The reason why I'm doing this is because the shop vlog was my answer to speed edits. I don't like watching speed edits on YouTube because I feel like they're predicated on the ooh and ah factor of before and after, and there's very little wisdom that I'm able to take from a speed edit. It's more about just watching the spectacle of somebody create and work, and yes, a nugget of wisdom is tossed out. I wanted more than that for this channel. I wanted you all to be able to get as much of the wisdom that I could provide as possible. But being honest and transparent, the shop vlog, usually about 45 minutes to an hour long, and based upon the metrics of how long folks are staying with it, folks are only engaging with about a quarter of the content. Now, this is not a flame to all of you. I'm not upset about that at all. I totally understand that most of the average viewers don't want to watch an hour-long video, but I'm stuck because I want you to have the information and have the wisdom, and I just don't think a speed edit is the appropriate way to give all of that. But I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot and give it a try, because I have heard from some folks that they do enjoy engaging with speed edits, whether it's just something as simple as they enjoy watching it, like a relaxation kind of thing, to inspiration ideas, or they do pick up little nuggets here and there where they want to add it later on into their work, and they appreciate being able to get all of that entertainment, knowledge, and so forth in a shorter 15 to 20 minute video format. So that's something I'm going to try to do with the channel. I'm going to be creating a few of these. I need you to tell me in the comments below, is this something that you enjoy? I mean, even if you drop by and you only watch 3 or 4 minutes of it, just take a moment and let me know in the comments below, because it's the only way I know how to be able to create content that makes the most impact for the majority of folks who visit this channel. I appreciate every one of you and the time you spend engaging with me on this channel. Being able to teach itself is just a wonderful thing. I thoroughly enjoy it, and I want this to be as impactful to all of you. So today's first speed edit, which I do plan on narrating throughout the entire process, is a fashion shoot with a wonderful, amazing dress sent to me by an incredible designer. Her name is Alice Andrews Designs. There is a link to her website in the description below. Alice designs these beautiful pieces that are based mainly on parachute dresses of various colors and shapes. I've rented several of them in the past. I absolutely love working with them. I reached out to her recently to talk about a couple of different projects, and she sent me 2 prototypes of 2 new designs that she's working on, and I was over the moon. Like, it's the coolest thing in the world, where she's like, hey, I'm going to send these to you and see what you can do with them. And I was like, yes, please. So anyway, I have a whole bunch of different shoots scheduled with these. I did a quick shoot with one of the dresses, one of 2, at the studio with an incredible talent who is a traveling model. I absolutely love working with her. She's just brilliant. Her name is Kat Keen. You can see more of her amazing artwork by visiting the Instagram account at the link below. There's also a link in the description below as well. So Kat came to the studio. She put on one of 2 designs from Alice. We did a quick shoot. This is the base image that we're going to work on, and this is the final artwork produced in today's speed edit. So sit back, relax, enjoy the adventure through the Photoshops, and let me know in those comments below if this is something that you would like to see more of on the channel today. With that, let's hit the Photoshops and let the journey begin. The goal with smart objects is to create foundations as puzzle pieces to put together for the final artwork, focusing on the fundamentals of Photoshop, which are color, luminosity, and detail. The first smart object is a general pass to the image, looking at luminosity values, colors, and details. The second smart object is to augment the colors throughout the scene and selectively bring that into the image using layer masks. During the process of frequency separation, sometimes it's easier just to remove the skin texture and start anew using grain or noise. The big secret to getting smooth skin in Photoshop is smoothing out the colors, not the texture, just the color. Dodge and burn is such a wonderful way to augment the three-dimensional nature of the person in your image, and not just their face from a skin retouch perspective, their hair, the clothing, every single element that goes into the final artwork can be augmented and added to with dodge and burn. Within the Select and Mask dialog, I'm using the Refine Edge Brush tool to be able to tell Photoshop to remove as much of the gray that it sees in the background through the dress that the model is wearing. No matter the artwork that I'm creating or the genre that I'm creating in, it's a pretty safe bet that I spend most of my time cleaning up layer masks than I do with any other process in the artwork itself. I'm using the perspective transform option in Photoshop to give this two-dimensional piece of stock the appearance that it has a quote-unquote floor, as if it were a backdrop being utilized during the actual photography. There is a reason why I have always said that the most powerful tool inside of Photoshop is layer blending modes. This entire background graphic is created by simply putting different stock elements together with different varying blending modes to bring it to life. And with a finishing color grade and some final touches in the Photoshops, this is the artwork produced. And here's where we started from. Let me know in the comments below if this type of content is something that you would like to see on a regular basis on the channel. Let me know what you've learned from it, what you took from it that's engaging to you, or if you do prefer the shop vlog, I want to hear that too, because I can only make the content that's best service to all of you by you telling me what you need from me on this channel and on this platform. Look at the description below. Please give a visit to Alice Andrews' website and consider renting one of her pieces. You will not be disappointed. They are amazing pieces of art. I absolutely love working with them. Give Kat some love on the Instagram, and if you like the content you found in today's video, then please give the video a like and consider subscribing to the channel, because new content debuts each week in photography and Photoshop education. And when you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell icon to be notified of that new content when you return to the YouTubes. Thanks for watching today, and until next time, I'll see you out there in the world of Photoshop.